What is good, guys? It's Ray J back with another video, and in this one I want to talk about Tesla stock very quickly and break down deliveries. Let me first say that I am not a financial planner. Take nothing I say as financial advice. Alright guys, the numbers are out for Tesla's deliveries. This is what they look like. For production, we had 412,000 Model 3/Model Ys produced, 21,000 for other models, and then 433,000 in total production for all of Tesla's models. For deliveries, we had 369,000 Model 3 and Model Ys, 17,000 for other models, for a total of only 386,810 deliveries. Unfortunately, with the changes coming to the economy and with the high interest rates, it's really affecting Tesla negatively. Their sales are not looking the best, and deliveries have basically missed expectations big time. The closest person I found when I was looking at different analysts was Troy Tesla. He was saying 409,000, if not less than that. He was saying it's going to be a weak, quarter, and that's what ended up happening. And, most of the expectations were around 430,000, 420,000. Even 400,000 was like looked at as too low, and we actually only did 386,000. So that's not a good piece of news. This is way worse than expected, and Tesla is on a decline right now. So where is the share price right now? We're barely at 162. If we lose this, our support's now at 160 to be watching for this 160 area. This is where Tesla saw some support in the past where it bounced off of this 160 zone. If we lose that, this opens the doors for 155 and then 152 all the way down here if we end up losing 160. So I'm going to be watching these supports right here and just know that 160 is going to be a very, very key level. Resistance watch 165, which is where we had this previous support. Tesla is looking bearish, and there is a risk of it falling all the way down to 160. And if it loses that, bigger moves to the downside are coming. Deliveries were not that great, so it is what it is. Now I just want to give you guys a quick update on SPY and the others. Let me just say that for data, do not forget, today is Tuesday, April 2nd. At 10 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 30 minutes after the market opens, we have the Joel's Job openings, Joel's Job quits, and all this data coming out. Watch for some volatility thanks to it because it involves the labor market, which is important for the Fed. And then at 10:10 a.m. until 1:30 p.m., we have Bowman, Williams, Mester, and Daly all giving speeches amidst Jerome Powell's speech on Wednesday. So look for some volatility at 10 o'clock a.m. Let's just go over the charts real quick before I upload this video. I know I'm very late because I was waiting for deliveries. In fact, I was recording my video and then deliveries came out intraday and I had to restart. So Nvda has a hourly head and shoulders structure, could pop a bit then eventually sell off. We could be looking for a move all the way down to about this 860 area as we're losing 885. SPY is looking a bit more bearish to me because we're basically barely at 518. We're on a big decline after the manufacturing numbers were showing signs of inflation increasing, and because the market is on a technical sell-off right now, at least approaching Jerome Powell's speech. So this could continue to decline, in my opinion, towards 518. If we lose that, 515 is a real possibility. 514 to 515 could be our next target if we lose 518. So SPY is looking a bit more bearish. QQQ is barely at 440. If we lose this, watch 438 and 436. We look a bit more bearish. Aapl is barely at 169. It's trying to shuffle here, so we'll see how well it holds. But if we continue to decline, I could see this declining towards 168. So it looks more bearish. That's it for the main five that I actually have right here. I think it's best if I just upload the video because I'm very late because it took a while for the data to come out. So I just want to say thank you all so much for listening. I'm going to try to upload this as fast as possible to give you guys the warnings that are necessary. Make sure you watch your levels. And this is just a super lightning fast update on Tesla. Unfortunately, they missed on deliveries. So it is what it is. We just have to carry on. I'm a big bull on Tesla for the long term, but for the short term, things are not looking that great. Let me switch over to Tesla. So we're barely at 162. If we lose this, there's 160, then much lower levels coming if we lose 160. As of right now, it's not looking that great for Tesla. All right. So thank you for listening. Have a good day. And I'll see you guys in just a couple of hours for another update. Thank you and peace out.